Hi there! In this Repricer.com video, we're going to introduce you to the eBay export and import processes within Repricer.com. Using these, you'll be able to export your listings from the system, tweak them, and import them back in. When you're exporting your listings from Repricer, there are two ways you can do this. Either you can export all of your listings at the one time, which you would do via the import screen, or you would export only some specific listings which you can search or filter for. You'd do this via the product screen. So let's start by looking there at the product screen. Once you've opened the product screen, if you have Amazon and eBay, you'll need to select eBay from the drop down at the top. At this stage, you can search or filter for the products that you'd like. We'll just show you how to filter here. Once you've filtered your listings, select the products that you'd like from the left-hand side. So you'll notice that only 20 listings will appear on the screen at a time. If you're looking to export all products filtered, we have a handy option here to do so. Taking it will export all products, not just those on the screen. When you have what you want selected, simply go to the bulk update options and choose Download CSV template. If your file is small, it will appear at the bottom of your screen like any other download. If you have a large number of listings, you'll be redirected to the import screen where your file will be generated. Speaking of import screen, let's head over there and export all of our products at once. Now, on the import screen, you'll need to go to the eBay tab, and then you can choose the Download eBay Template option. When clicked, this will download all your eBay products from Repricer.com. Once the file is downloaded, let's open it and take a look. Here is your eBay file now. What we'll just do is go through some of the fields that you'd make use of. First of all, we've got our mandatory fields. These are Marketplace, Store, and SKU. We use these to match the products in your file to those in Repricer. Then we have our informational fields. These are fields that tell you information about your SKU, but you can't actually update. Finally, we have the editable fields. These are min, max, and rule. Something that's useful to note is that you can remove any columns from the files other than the mandatory ones. You can do the same thing with rows, and reduce the file down to just the handful of SKUs you want to edit. This is very helpful when you have a lot of SKUs but want to edit only a few. Something you'll notice is that the SKU field looks a little weird, a bit corrupted. This is sadly a side effect of some spreadsheet programs if the SKU is a long number. In order to fix it, you would simply right-click on the column, go to Format Cells, Number, Decimal Places 0, and then Save. It is important that you make this change before you save your file, otherwise the field will be permanently corrupted and you'd have to start your file again. Note these steps will vary depending on the spreadsheet program you are using. Now let's just quickly change the min and max of this SKU, and then we'll import the file back into the system. Going back to Repricer.com, we would simply choose the option to import our file, browse to the file, and then import it. If your file is successful, like this one, you'll see it's given you a happy green tick. If not, it will tell you what the problem with the file is and give you some feedback on how to resolve it. If you're still having any problems, do get in touch with our support team who will be happy to help. If you have a small file, this will be done almost immediately. It could be within a second. If it's a bigger file, it might take a little longer. In order to track progress of your file and recent imports, you can go to the Recent Imports tab. When you open it, you'll see a list of your imports, including the status of the imports and the results. You can also click on this button to download previous files which you've imported in recent times. And that's how you can import your listings back into Repricer.com. Why not learn more at our Help Center? Or, if you haven't started a trial yet, sign up for free for 14 days now. Alternatively, you can book a demo with one of our helpful team. Thanks for joining us today, and catch you in the next one.